interest is money you can earn by initially investing some money or the principal. The formula for simple interest is interest is equal to principal times rate times time. Sample problem. Ian is investing $4,000 for 2 years. The interest rate is 5.5%. How much interest will Ian earn after 2 years? The given are, the principal is equal to $4,000, the rate is equal to 5.5%, the time is equal to 2 years. The simple interest formula is principal times rate times time. Substituting to the formula, 4,000 times 0.055 times 2 is equal to 440.
Simple interest on notes. Simple interest on notes has the same meaning with simple interest, only different formula. The formula for simple interest on notes is MV equals FV times 1 plus R times T, where MV stands for maturity value, FV for face value, R for rate, and T for time. Eric loaned 8,000 pesos with the interest at 13% annually. The duration of the loan is 6 months. Find the maturity value. Given, face value is 8,000, rate is 13%, time is 6 months. Following the formula for the solution, it will be 8,000 times 1 plus 0.13 times 6 over 12. The answer will be 8,520.
Compound interest. It is interest calculated on the initial principal and also on the accumulated interest of previous periods of a deposit or loan. Compound interest can be thought of as an interest on interest and will make a deposit or loan grow at a faster rate than simple interest, which is interest calculated only on the principal amount. The formula for compound amount is P quantity 1 plus I raised to N, and the formula for compound interest is F minus P, where F is equals to the final or compound amount, P is equals to the original price, I is equals to periodic rate, N is equals to total number of conversion period for the whole term, I is equals to compound interest, and M is equals to compounding period. Since I is equals to R over M and N is equals to T times M, the final formula for compound interest is F is equals to P, quantity 1 plus R over all over M raised to T times M. Compounding period. 1 is annually, 2 is semi-annually, 4 quarterly, and 12 is monthly.
Bettina has 3,500 that she invests in an account that pays 6% interest compound quarterly. How much money does Bettina have at the end of 4 years? Let's identify the given. P is equals 3,500, R is equals 6% or 0.06, T is equals 4 years. Using the formula, we will have the solution F is equals 3,500 times the quantity of 1 plus 0.06 all over 4 raised to 4 times 4. Using that formula, we will have the answer 4,441.45 pesos. Now, using the other formula, we will have the solution I is equals 4,441.45 minus 3,500. We will have the answer 941.45 pesos.
An ordinary annuity is a series of equal payments made at the end of consecutive periods over a fixed length of time. While payments in an annuity can be made as frequently as every week, in practice, ordinary annuity payments are made monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. The future value of an ordinary annuity can be solved using the formula shown, where P is equal to the original price, R is the rate, M is the number of compoundings where it can be annually, which represents 1, semi-annually, 2, quarterly, 4, and monthly, 12, and lastly, T, where it is in time and is usually in years. For the first problem, let's say Emily's grandma deposits $1,733 into an account to help pay for Emily's summer volleyball camp for 4 consecutive years. The first camp is scheduled for June 2016. The account earns 6% interest per year, compounded annually. What is the future value of the annuity? So upon gathering the given data, P is equal to $1,733. The rate or R is 6%. The month of compounding is done annually, so we have 1, and the time given is 4 years. So substituting that into the formula, we'll get $7,581.21.
Stocks. Stocks or shares are units of equity or ownership stake in a company. The value of a company is the total value of all outstanding stock of the company. The price of a share is simply the value of the company, also called market capitalization or market cap, divided by the number of shares outstanding.
Bonds. Bonds are simply loans made to an organization. They are a form of debt and appear as liabilities in the organization's balance sheet, while stocks are usually offered only in for-profit corporations. Any organization can issue bonds. Indeed, the governments of United States and Japan are among the largest issuers of bonds. Bonds are also traded on exchanges but often have a lower volume of transactions than stocks.